just us. We've been talking about the blizzard warning in Southern California and winter storm warnings in the Sierra. Let's switch over to the weather maps and take a look at the big perspective here. And I've just turned on all of the warnings so you can get just a sense of how widespread this wintry weather is. It's actually different pieces of the larger parent storm system kind of getting spit out over the Great Plains. But we have winter storm warnings, blizzard warnings, wind advisory, winter storm watches, winter weather advisories, high wind warnings, wind chill advisories in effect. All of this is just going to continue making its way to the east. But let's talk about what's going to happen around here. The next heart of this little storm system, kind of spokes around a wheel, is going to be dropping down towards it. It's an area of low pressure in the upper levels of the atmosphere. It's associated with very cold air, and it is dropping down towards us. That's going to squeeze the atmosphere. It's going to tap into more moisture and send that towards us in the form of rain, and at the higher elevations, some snow. So let's talk more about that particular perspective, because this is a rare event for the Bay Area when we're talking about those snow levels dropping down from just beyond the peaks. I want to bring in our augmented reality graphics. And Darren talked yesterday about how the snow level is going to vary on Mount Diablo. I want to talk about the Bay Area just in general, because we have such varying geography and it makes a difference. What a lot of people don't realize is that the precipitation that falls across North America largely forms as snow, even in the summertime. High up in the atmosphere, it is cold up there. Now, in the wintertime, that cold air gets a little bit deeper and it drops down towards about the level of the peaks around the Bay Area, roughly to 3,000 or 4,000 feet. But for the rest of us, there's plenty of warm or at least mild air between that and ground level for all that snow to melt before it reaches the ground. The difference is this heart of the storm system moves in overhead. It's got a lot of cold air associated with it in the upper levels of the atmosphere, and some of that cold air is going to drop much, much closer to ground level. And that pushes the snow farther down from the peaks, closer and closer to sea level, but not all the way towards sea level, because the flow of air off the Pacific Ocean is going to keep temperatures in the lowest at least 500, more likely 1,000 feet in the atmosphere, substantially above freezing. And that means the snow is going to melt before it reaches ground level, but it's just something we don't see all that often. Now, the amount of snow that adds up is really going to vary kind of based on your specific elevation. And it has to do with how the difference is between 1 inch of water and how much snow that adds up to, what we call the liquid to snow ratio. You get the temperature a couple degrees above freezing, and it's only going to add up to about 5 inches of snow. At the higher elevations of the Bay Area, temperature drops below freezing. It adds up to about 10 inches of snow for the same amount of water, but we don't see those snowfall ratios like they do in the high Sierra, where 1 inch of water is equivalent to 20 inches of snow. So the closer you are to that dividing line between rain and snow, around 1,500 feet in elevation by Friday morning, you're going to get that very thick, wet snow that mostly melts on impact. We're seeing some of that on the radar already. Some of that